This is the best dairy-free cheesecake. It is so creamy, paired with that nice graham cracker crust. The combination is just perfect. We're starting off by breaking up the graham crackers to make the crust. We're adding in our melted butter, our cinnamon. Press that out down into your springform pan. Place it in the fridge to let it sit up while you're making the filling. When you're making the filling, you're going to start off by mixing the cream cheese until it's really nice and creamy, and then we're adding in those other ingredients. Once you mix that together and it's nice and creamy, pour it into your springform pan, go ahead and bake it off, and then you're going to let it cool completely. Once cooled, go ahead and top with your favorite toppings, and that's it. It's crazy delicious, crazy easy to make. For the full recipe, go over to thesaltycooker.com and type in cheesecake. Enjoy.